Welcome to Undead Media. Today we're going to be looking at this medium-sized tail bag from Viking Bags. Whether you're making a daily commute or even a weekend trip, this bag could be your next best friend. In this video, I'll be breaking down the design, quality, and uses for this tail bag. So let's get into it. First, we're going to talk design and build quality. This is a 10-liter bag made from high-quality, weather-resistant materials. So you can ride this in the rain, snow, anything, this thing can deal with it. Not to mention, it has a non-slip bottom to help lock this bag into place. This thing is not going anywhere. Inside, you can see a beautiful red interior and this interior pocket, which I like to put my wallet or cash or house keys in. I also like to keep a first aid kit that I built myself in this bag. It's great just in case you spill out in the middle of nowhere and paramedics can't get to you on time. This is definitely a must for me. This bag also comes with this handy dandy strap that you can attach to these straps right here when you take it off and carry it around, which is super nice. Now on to installation. The adjustable straps make it easy to fit on any street bike and even easier to install. Just remove these straps on one side or even on both, your choice. Place it where you'd like. Wrap it around the license plate unit. Clip into place just like so. And tighten down. Just like this. And this bag is not going anywhere. Overall, I could not recommend this bag enough. Coming from a rider who doesn't really like to wear backpacks, it gives the perfect amount of space and functionality. Top all that with a high quality exterior and interior, and this is the perfect bag for a fun cruise or even a small trip. Thanks for tuning in on my review on the medium-sized tail bag from Viking Bags. Of course, you can find this bag and many others on VikingBags.com. I'll even put a link in the description to find this exact bag right here. But anyways, I hope you all had a good time. Ride safe, and I'll see y'all next time.